This morning I saw this post from Mark White where he was asking us to help him to make a decision of what type of a profile picture. These are some options he shared that he would like us to comment on and give him some suggestions. And his question was, what's the right way to go? Should he have a formal work shot, a relaxed work shot? Should he have a simmering selfie or a family-friendly photo or a holiday shot? Which is pretty much what I'm looking here. I don't know about this simmering selfie and his back to me. I'm not here to judge Mark's pictures. Mark, I like B or C. I think they would be great. I'm good with D, but not A or E. Anyway, I'm not here to judge Mark's photos. What I'm here to do is tell you a story. Previously, I had used an AI enhanced, not an AI created, just an AI enhanced image of me. I had those glasses. I might be wearing them right now. I had that bright blue shirt, and I actually had, at one point or another, I had a 10-inch beard, and that's probably not the 10-inch beard. That was the photo I used, AI enhanced. I used it on my LinkedIn, my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter. I used it on my Google Workspace account. I had that photo. I was good with it. I mean, it sort of kind of looks like me, very much so. I had no problems with it, and I don't think, for the most part, anybody else did until I sent a message to someone I was told that I should do some work for and that he needed my help. And so I sent him an email, and I very simply said, hey, I do this. I was told that you need help with that. Let's talk. We got on the phone. We chatted on the phone. And then I sent him another message with a list of 4 or 5 things I could do for him. And he ghosted me. And I'm like, wow, this was a done deal. I thought for sure we were going to do business. Well, I didn't hear from him for a week, and I knew that he wanted to get started soon. So I called him, and he answered the phone sort of hesitantly. He was not the same voice I had before, and I'm like, let's call him Bob. I said, Bob, I was looking forward to our next conversation so I could move forward with helping you. And he said, quite frankly, Teddy, he said, I didn't even want to take this call from you. He said, I went and looked online to find you, and I found an AI image of you that he said, I thought it was an AI image. He said, I found that image on LinkedIn and Facebook and everywhere I looked, and I kind of thought you weren't real. I kind of thought you were not who you were presenting yourself to be. Now, I fixed that relationship because I made a phone call. I hit FaceTime. I did a FaceTime call with him, and he saw this. And I apologized to him for misleading him. And he apologized to me for misinterpreting it and only letting my profile picture sway his thoughts of me. Now, one person told me they had that problem. There's probably thousands and thousands of people who look at me online every week. And so if one person had that challenge, that wrong perspective, that tells me that others would have a similar perspective. So why am I sharing this with you? I'm sharing this with you to say, you want to make sure your profile picture represents you in a way you want to be represented. Mark should, in my opinion, should make a decision how he wants to be represented and go with that photo. Absolutely, there's nothing wrong with any of those photos, with the exception of E, the back turned to me. Bottom line, especially for my college grads and those who are moving into the world of business, use a LinkedIn profile picture of you that represents you in a way you want to be represented. Don't go with corporate America if you don't want to be corporate America style. And don't go with simmering selfie if that's not how you want to be perceived. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about LinkedIn. I'm all about helping people get value from it. I hope this is helpful for you.